like prepping to leave for Italy tomorrow. Released the latest trip, which is the description and stuff. And now I believe it's prepping for barbecue, which is going well, Joel?
Yes. You cut it in half, sprinkle some shit on it, barbecue. Delicious. Done. In its entirety, the whole thing costs about 2,000 lek.
Yeah, 15 quid, maybe less.
Yeah, something like that. So, but the thing is, that's feeding 13 people. All in all, fucking feast for 15 euros.
So we're all packing up and ready to go. We've just got our last bits to get ready in the car, and it's the end of this chapter. Onwards to Italy.
The t-shirt for you, sir. You found it, honorably.
You guys are the best. I'm gonna wear it now so we can get a picture.
So we're on the way to James's beach. It's quite cool because when he first got to the villa, James, who's quite new to this kind of driving, he hated driving in the area, but he's gained confidence over time. And the last week, he spent most of the days driving through the city to this beach he's now taking us to and having a bit of an off-road party. So as we're leaving, we're going to go to the beach and do that with him.
Oh, well, I was doing a little bit of a workout. You know, some people seem to be a bit pressed. You know, they thought they'd come over, check out the gun show. Oh, and then we got to talking. We just chatted with them for a little bit, and then asked if they wanted to take a picture. And now I got an awesome photo with a lot of cool Albanian kids. Bye. We officially have no more money. We bought this as our last little meal in Albania for about 70 lek. So now we are officially broke and leaving Albania, waiting for the ferry to arrive. Different note there.
We are going to get on the boat in like half an hour. It's an overnight boat, but we don't have cabins, obviously. I don't think we even have like allocated seats, so it'll be finding like a quiet corner, curl up and make a cuddle puddle. You good?
I didn't have a pillow, so I discovered that if you took a blow-up whale and you blow up inside of here, it makes a great pillow.
So we took the ferry last night from Duras to Bari, and we have now arrived, and we're ready for the next section, which is Italy.
to go get some supplies, and then we are heading down the coast to the national park. It will be glorious. Yes!
We're just figuring out where we want to head, if we're going to head straight to a camping spot or if we are just going to find somewhere cool to hang.
Basically trying to find a wild camping spot. The plan was to go down here, but it's blocked, so we are now going to try another place, but there's like 100 campsites around, so worst case we'll have to like haggle a deal. But hopefully we find like a nice private spot. But and look where we've ended up. It's pretty damn close to the sea.
She said it'll be fine for us to camp just for one night, so that'll be good. They do serve beers, since she was so nice. I feel kind of obligated if you guys wouldn't mind buying at least one. Basically, don't pop up your tents until the sun's gone down. Yeah. It looks like it's going to be a little bit windy tonight, so maybe get some stakes and maybe some rocks.
Be warned of the falling rocks.
Yeah,
like,
there's
don't
falling
pitch
rocks, so
your
don't
tents right
put your
next
tent on the mountainside.
And Joel and Tim have gone fishing.
Yeah, second cast. Lost my my hook, so that's cool. Ocean 1. Joel nil. So we went to the store earlier and picked up a bunch of super cheap tortellini, spinach and ricotta tortellini, to be precise. We have all of our spices and everything. It was €1.70 per person. So we're gonna have a big, huge feast. Gonna get the fire going as well, and yeah, have a night on the beach. I got my cabin built. Now I need to put in a kidling.
Oh, you're joining?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a fire teaching class going, Joel. Don't fuck it up.
Learning how to set things alight.
So now it's gone from the cardboard catching to now my wood's actually catching. Soup's down. Get your plates. Come in the room.
Well, I'm not gonna hesitate because I'm a dick. Oh my gosh.
I did, I got my ball.
Got up at 5, went for a swim.
So we're using an app called Park 4 Night, and basically people just pin like places they've camped before, they've parked. You know, does this go for camping in a van or camping in a tent? We found this spot, so we thought we'd head to it. Came down, it looked pretty good. We spoke to the owner of the restaurant and asked if it was right to camp here. She said yeah.
The cafe that was closed last night opened up this morning, and they were really friendly. We were a little worried we were overstaying our welcome, but that was not the case at all. Now we're enjoying a nice Italian cafe on the Italian. This isn't the Riviera. Is it Riviera? I'm gonna call it Riviera because it can. Yeah.
The reason I did this is because I wanted something with more adventure, with real experience instead of something that, you know, you're not going to learn from that seems perfect. I've wild camped before, but not for a long time. It's the first time with the convoy. Yeah, first time on the beach. Pistachio liqueur, and I'm not liking the sound of that. But orange limoncello sounds delicious. And it's like kid size. Like me.
So we have found a camping spot for tonight. We have all this grass that we can camp on. And then in the next couple of days we're going to head to San Marino.
Successful, I guess. A load of wood to burn.
And then they've got a bit more back there.
Twisted fire starter.
We'll be sure to counter it now if you need to.
Leftover pasta from last night. It's spinach and ricotta.
Jesus.
And it's even better tonight than it was last night.